UPST Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Upstart Holdings has been sitting at 30% up, which is sick, cool. And my previous prediction was long, so a lot of money have been made here. And you might think that I'm lying to you, like whatever, you know, but here's why I'm here to show you the proof. Nobody else on YouTube can show proof like this. And if they do, this was my idea. This is how I show my way, and they're copying me. They're copying the big dog. I'm like, here's like the last time I made a video on this. 3, 2, 1, let's go to the video. Yeah, it was 23rd of January, which you can still go ahead and check on my YouTube channel. 2 weeks ago, 52, 51 view. This is how my chart was looking like.
Forward to waiting for it.
You know,
I'm looking to double down on that, but
and I was sitting here looking for buys, and at the time it was 65 bucks, you know, here. Then I was looking for those $90 highs, actually 88, and we reached them today. After like doing that, you know, what are my 2 cents in this is that I'm continuously looking to double down this long side, so buy even more, but I'm only gonna buy really if there's like a little corrections and my rules are met. Like here at the top, it has just delivered, so there's no need to force in more risk.